Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 15. This question they have asked in the exam GATE 2004. So let us read the question. A MOSFET rated for 15 ampere carries the periodic current as shown in the figure. Okay, so this is the current which is carried by the MOSFET. Okay, the on state resistance of the MOSFET is 0.15 ohm. Okay, so on state resistance is equal to 0.15 ohm. It is given. The average on state loss in the MOSFET is, average on state loss is nothing but the average on state power loss they have asked. Okay, and they have given the four options. Okay, so now they have given the equivalent resistance of the MOSFET which is equal to 0.15 ohm. Okay, so now from this our task is to find the average power loss. Okay, average power loss. So as we know, the power loss is equal to I square into R, right? Power loss is equal to I square into R, but this will give the instantaneous power loss. Okay, so in order to find the average power loss, yes, can we find the, can we draw the waveform for the power? Yes, which is equal to I square into R. Okay, which is equal to I square into R. So if you check from omega t is equal to 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi, and here it is a 2 pi to 3 pi, right? During 0 to pi, current flowing through the MOSFET is 10 ampere. Okay, so it is a 10 square into 0.15. Okay, so if you check, it is 10 square into 0.15, so it is equal to 15 watt. Okay, so here from 0 to pi, the power loss taking place is equal to 15 watt. Okay, next from pi to 2 pi, current flowing through the MOSFET is 0. So therefore I square into R, that is a 0 square into 0.15, so it will be 0. Okay, so here power loss will be 0 from pi to 2 pi. From 2 pi to 3 pi, again the 10 ampere current will be flowing. Okay, so it is a 10 square into 0.15, so again it is equal to 15 watt. Okay, so it is equal to 15 watt. Okay, power loss will be taking. Now as this is the periodic waveform, right, whatever the pulse from 0 to 2 pi we are having, okay, the same will repeat from 2 pi to 4 pi and so on. Okay, so periodic angle is 2 pi. So can we write P average, that is the average power loss, is equal to 1 by 2 pi. Yes, integration from 0 to pi, right? Apart, instead of taking 0 to 2 pi, right? Because 0 to 2 pi we are having two intervals, 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi. But from pi to 2 pi power is 0. So integration of 0 will be 0. So effective interval will be only 0 to pi. Yes, it is a P, that is a power, that is a P, which is 15. Okay, power is 15 watt into d omega t. Okay, so we can further write it as, take 15 outside, so it is a 15 by 2 pi into omega t, limit 0 to pi. Okay, so if we put the limit, yes, we can write it as 15 upon 2 pi into pi minus 0, that is a pi only. Pi will get cancelled, so it is equal to 7.5 watt. 1.5 watt. Is this clear? So average power loss in a MOSFET is equal to 7.5 watt, right? 7. So correct option is options is the correct option, right? So this is about question number 15. This question they have asked in the exam GATE 2004. In the next video, we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 16. Thank you.